everyone, welcome back to my channel and to Sunday Cook with me. Well, there's only this last weekend in January, so I thought I would just complete it with another air fryer meal today. Last Sunday we did the omelet, and if you didn't see that one, I'll link it down below. It was delicious and such an easy way to make an omelet. Well, today we're going to make something that probably a lot of you have made, and I've made many, many times. And I call them sheet pan dinners. And we're going to do sausage and vegetables. But we're going to use the air fryer and do it in the air fryer today. And here's the bonus of using the air fryer. If you do a sheet pan dinner in the oven, you're talking probably 40 minutes, 45 minutes, because of the root vegetables usually that are in it taking so long to cook. Well, we are going to put a couple of heavy-duty vegetables like a carrot and potatoes in here, but I think by slicing them thin enough, they should work out just fine in the air fryer. The hardest part about this whole meal is just cutting all of these pieces together. Now, I originally saw the air fryer version of this on a site on YouTube called Cooking with Coit, C-O-I-T, and he does a lot of air fryer cooking, if you want to check out his site. But I thought, well, you know, this is fun, and I have the kielbasa, which is the sausage I'm going to use today, and some vegetables I wanted to get rid of. So let's give it a try. I'm going to take you down to the counter, show you what you're going to need, and we'll get busy making air fryer sausage and peppers. Sausage and vegetables, including peppers. Be right back. Okay, I have the onion out here right now, so I'm going to start with that. And I've been using one of my new knives, and I must tell you, I cut this onion, and look at this. It's cutting like butter. And this is a red onion, and usually they're quite heavy to cut. I'm very impressed so far. So I cut it in half, and then I've sliced it. Now what I'm going to do is separate these slices. Because if they're stuck together, they won't cook in a timely fashion. So we'll just get these all cut apart or separated apart. Trying to do that without crying too much. And a half an onion, I think, is plenty. This was a big onion. Ooh-wee. I'll be glad to get this dish out from under my nose. There we go. All right, I have the sausage. We might as well cut that up while we're here. And I'm going to cut those into probably half-inch slices because this is already cooked. Now, the website that I watched, the YouTube channel, he used an already cooked chicken sausage, I believe. But my friend made this, and they used just standard raw Italian sausage. Now, I think there's some advantages to that because as it cooks, now you have to probably adjust your cooking time a little bit because it is raw, but as it cooks, the juices from that sausage are going to drip and flavor the rest of the vegetables that are in the pot. Okay. runaway, a runaway. Okay, I have a summer squash here that I need to use up. So I'm going to cut that up. And they don't take too long to cook, so probably ½ inch is good. When it gets down to the fat end, I just cut it in half again. It's going to make a big bowl of food here. Now, depending on how much you put in the air fryer at the same time will also determine how long you're going to have to cook it. Now I'm going to do a pepper, and I have a pretty orange pepper here. I turned it upside down, and I'm going down around the outside, so basically I'm missing all the seeds, you see? That orange will look pretty in there. Boy, this knife is cutting lovely. The knives, again, I got those on an Amazon haul, and I'll link that video also if you didn't see it. Now, let's see about this carrot. I don't know if I can cut it small enough. I think I'm getting it pretty good. You see, they're very thin. I've already peeled it. I do have a mandolin, and generally I would use that. However, I was just testing out these knives, which are cutting lovely. Okay, one more ingredient. Some potatoes that I had over, that I'd already peeled. Now I'm going to cut these, and I'm going to slice these very thin. Wow. I think I need a bigger bowl. I might only just do one more because it's a lot of potato here. But something like this is good for leftovers too. And the other one, I think what I'll do is I'll just slice that up in a little bit, and I'm going to make my husband some eggs. I'm making this earlier in the day, and I'll reheat it later tonight. So I make him some home fries with his eggs. Because they'll be working on the window later, making noise. All right, look at that. I think I'm going to have to get a bigger bowl, so I'm going to put my air fryer on to preheat and get a bigger bowl. I'll be right back. Okay, air fryer is preheating, and I'm out of olive oil. Let's just see, get it out. I'm going to put some olive oil on this, however much you need. A lot of vegetables here. And I'm going to use, but I don't know if they say Badia or Badia, complete seasoning. I like the seasoning. And it has garlic and onions, pepper, and all kinds of good stuff. Stir it around, make sure everything's got a good coating. I have my air fryer preheating to 375, and I'm going to do this all at once, and we'll just have to see what the timing is by doing it all at once. Isn't that nice looking? Look at that. Now, like I said, you can certainly put this on a sheet pan. And it will be just fine. I'm going to take you over by the air fryer. Okay, it's telling me to add food, so here we go. And that is a big bunch of food, so it might take a few minutes extra. See that? Here we go. I have it set on 14, and I will give it a shake when the machine tells me to. Back when I check it. Okay, it's telling me to turn the food. So what I'm going to do is stir it around. Ooh, it's looking good. All right, we'll put it on again. It says it has 5 minutes left here. I'll check it after the 5, and if we have to add some more time, I'll let you know. Well, there you go. This is 14 minutes. And I'm going to give some of this a taste. Here's a potato and a carrot. I want to try those too. I can tell that the zucchini and the onions are done. So we'll give each of it and have a piece of meat, an onion, and some zucchini. Oh, pepper. Didn't that look nice, huh? Now that wasn't a lot of expense and that will feed a good 6 people. So let me just move this, and I'll bring you up while I taste it. It's hot, hot. A potato. Done, but not mushy. Let's see about the carrot. Again, I think that is plenty of time. Now I'm just going to scoop up the rest. My onion does not want to cooperate. Get this. That is so good. That is so good. If you like the vegetables done a little more, do them another couple of minutes, but I don't think they need it. I think it's just perfect. It has just a little bit of crunch. A little bit of crunch to it, but definitely done. Let's see if I can just show you. And you can see, whoop, it's slipping on the plate, that I can cut through that potato quite nicely. Oh, I'll have to eat it now. The secret is cut them thin. I'm going to let that cool, and I'll probably bag half of it, put it in the freezer. So we get 2 meals. I'd say you've got a good 6 hearty servings there. So, sausage, vegetables in the air fryer. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's see if I can get better lighting here somewhere. Hold on. There we are. Here I am in all my glory. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you've made this before in your air fryer. Like I said, I've done it many a time in my oven. But it was good and quick, 15 minutes. Now the hardest part was cutting all of the stuff up. But anyway, I enjoyed this. I'm going to have a great dinner later tonight. Probably serve it with some crusty, like a garlic bread. And I don't think you need anything else. You've got your protein, your vegetables, and your starch all in one meal. So until I see you again on Tuesday, and Tuesday we'll be doing a Valentine's wreath. I hope you have a great afternoon. Enjoy the day. Stay warm, stay safe. Play by the rules. And everybody, play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.